Hello guys, welcome back at Sample Study Ways. Today we will talk about the elements. Now here we are present and we are going to continue with the C sharp. And you was see my previous video. It was about the brief history of C sharp guys, and now we are going to be introduction the elements. What is elements guys? Elements are these properties in the any languages. We can store data like number, symbol and characters, like complete sentence. There is something different. Every language has a type style different guys. Okay, and every language has rules, maybe different rules like that. Here we are present and we talk about the C sharp. Okay guys, and C sharp you looking here about this. Here is the bool means boolean. Okay guys, type is data type is boolean, and data name here when you put equal after equal here. Okay guys, you have to show here data, and if you show here data and like in last you have to use must guys it named terminator. Okay guys, you have to use terminator. And here is the style, data writing style guys. Here bool like bool, and boolean a boolean, everything is same, but in here when you see here true means true and false means false. Okay guys, and here okay, enter guys, like integer. Okay, don't worry about it. And integer, like integer. Okay guys, and here type any number. Okay guys, and if we want to use here string. Okay, we just type here string, and here a string, and equal after equal guys we use here name like Johansson, and what you want to write you have to write here. After that guys, here is the all things, and here you can easily understand it. There is no confusion. If you have any confusion, any question, please comment down and let me know to solve your problems. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I am thankful about my subscribers 6,000 plus, and I love them all. Thank you so much being the part of Sample Study Ways. I hope you enjoy this video. Please comment down and press the bell icon and for the latest videos. Thank you so much guys. Love you all, and please take care.